Alright, so my Katadyn hiker, or no, guide I guess it was, my Katadyn guide got chewed up accidentally by some squirrels in the mountains this last year. The hose got all mangled up. It was about due for replacement anyway. It's been used for many years. So I went over to REI and I picked up one of these. It's the Squeeze all-in-one filter kit. I should get your million-gallon guarantee. So let's just see what we got here. Paperwork. Paperwork. Oh, it looks like 2 squeeze bottles. And looks like the syringe. I thought there was only 1 squeeze bottle. More paperwork in there, helpful hints. So it looks like I have a bit, 13/16, another cap, 2 more caps for the bags, like a washer, bucket kit, and hose kit. Alright. Are these? They're both the same size. Hmm. 12-ounce. That was a little dinky 12-ounce. And 32-ounce. Interesting. Looks like each one of these has, get in here where you can see. I don't know whether you can see them or not. Yeah, barely. There's little places for holes, or for hanging them up or something. String, perhaps. This one has them too. Anyway, that's the all-in-one filter from Sawyer. Now we'll to see how we want to put this together for the field. That by itself is pretty light. It's supposed to be, I think, 3 ounces, they said. I'll read through all their instructions. I was just going to get the squeeze unit itself, but I saw the all-in-one was next to it for another $10, and it came with this bag and this bag that were different. I guess the squeeze comes with another one of these bags, which is a little larger. So anyway, there you go. That's the all-in-one. And try it out here next video. Okay, we're going to weigh the Sawyer filter. This is dry. Never has had any water in it. 67 grams. 2.35 ounces dry. And if you add one of the lids, 2.5 ounces. And add that cap. That cap has that little black nub on it. So that brings it to a total of 2.75 ounces dry. The 32-ounce squeeze bag with its cap. The Sawyer filter has the cap on it and this little end cap there. And it comes out to 3.45 ounces. 0.218 pounds, 99 grams, so 3.45 ounces dry.